Hello everyone, this is Ramon Phipps with The Detail. Welcome to this guided Pranayama influenced breathwork exercise. If you're a beginner, this won't be too difficult. However, this breathwork exercise is a very helpful tool to transition us from our beginner skill sets into more intermediate skill sets. The overall intensity and concentration required for this exercise is a little bit higher than what a beginner may be used to. But I promise, all will be well as long as you stay mindful. For these initial moments, please find a comfortable position to sit. Feel your grounding as you align your head over heart and heart over pelvis, grounding your sacrum into the earth. Create small movement to loosen your body. Go ahead and stretch. Go ahead and wiggle. With intermediate to advanced pranayama breath exercises, you want to practice deep VO2 max breathing beforehand to increase your overall carbon dioxide tolerance before the practice. Using the diaphragmatic breath technique, take a couple minutes and just breathe deeply and fluidly. Rest. Now that your body is a little more acclimated, let's get into today's breath practice. We'll be primarily utilizing two breathing techniques, followed by our good old 4-7-4 to end us off. The first breathing technique is what we'll refer to as short breaths. As you can see, I am taking short diaphragmatic inhales and exhales. We will commit to this breath sequence for a period of 30 seconds. followed by 4 deep inhales and exhales to bring us back to our grounding. We will then transition to a breathing sequence that we'll refer to as the pocket breath. Breathe in sharply as if you were taking a sharp inhale right into your chest. Now on your exhale, completely drop your jaw and push all the air out, similar to a lion's roar. This sequence will repeat itself throughout this exercise. Pranayama breathing usually includes some type of complementary body movement. While this can be a bolster to your practice, we will only be focused on gentle parasympathetic nervous system stimulation. Movement combinations are something I would prefer to facilitate in advanced breath practices. Engaging with our breath. Exhale completely. "30 seconds of short breaths begins now." End. 4 deep inhales and 4 deep exhales. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pocket breath in. Lion's roar out. 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 Return to your natural rhythmic breathing cycle. The cycle is yours and yours alone. Deep breaths in and out. In and out. As you observe me through this sequence, you are going to see that I will be incorporating some natural, instinctive body movement along with my breathwork. Nothing too dramatic or formalized. However, these are small tidbits of the movement combinations that we'll use in advanced practices. Stay mindful. Engaging with our breath. Exhale completely. 30 seconds of short breaths begins now. End. 4 deep inhales and 4 deep exhales. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pocket breath in. Lion's roar out. 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 Return to your natural rhythmic breathing cycle. The cycle is yours and yours alone. Deep breaths in and out. In and out. Engaging with our breath. Exhale completely. 30 seconds of short breaths begins now. End. 4 deep inhales and 4 deep exhales. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pocket breath in. Lion's roar out. 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 Return to your natural rhythmic breathing cycle. The cycle is yours and yours alone. Deep breaths in and out. In and out. Now finishing off with our 4-7-4 sequence. Together now. Exhaling completely. Slow inhale for 4 seconds. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Re-engaging with that cycle. Exhaling completely. Slow inhale for 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 7. Slow exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. Final re-engagement, exhaling everything. Slow inhale for 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very slow exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good work, mindful practitioners. Practice this breathwork at least once a week to advance your breathwork practice and capabilities. The rewards are amazing. They can be used any time of day for any reason. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Stay mindful.